Hello everyone. Today we are going to unbox this Portronics Bridgex Type C to Type A OTG adapter, and it has a fast charge and a data sync capability. It has a wide range of compatibility. It has a sleek and compact design. It has aluminum alloy housing, and on the back side we can see the brand name, the model name, the model ID, color, generic name, etc. Then the warranty is given. There is a 6 months warranty for the product, and there is the manufacturer details and address, and there is for the QR code for registering warranty. Now let's unbox this. This is basically a type C to type A OTG adapter. So the type A is the male part and type C is the female part. So we can now just unbox it. We don't need scissors to unbox this. We need just okay, just slide this out. Okay, so this is our product. It's black in color and silver metal. Type C female port is here and a type A male port here. Okay, so let's check its compatibility by connecting it with my laptop. So we have here our hard disk SSD. I have previously done the unboxing of this SSD in my another video. So it has a type C male port. So we are connecting this type C port to the female type C port of this adapter. Now this port become a type A male port. Now this type A end of the adapter is connected to the USB port. Of the laptop, and let's see whether the laptop is compatible or not. Yes, it's coming. It's coming here. You can just open it in the computer. Yes, here is the hard disk. Okay, hard disk is here. Let's copy this 20 GB file into the hard disk. Copy, space it here. Let's wait how much time it will take, because that has a lot of photos. So individual files are there, many individual files are there, around 1102 items, around 20 GB data is there, and it's going faster than I expected. Okay, you can see the details here. 34.2, 33.7 MB per second. That is acceptable because of the number of files. Okay, now the almost complete, the copying is almost complete, and it took around some time for copying 20 GB. Okay, let's eject this. Ejected. select it here. Let's take this out. Okay. So thanks for watching my video. This is Portronics.